Dorner Conveyors presents DTools, the industry's leading tool for complete online conveyor design. With DTools, you can design and engineer simple or complex conveyors in minutes. Construct a complete conveyor package or select individual components depending on your application. DTools guides you through the design of the conveyor, from motor placement to belt type and accessory options. The tool asks questions on loads, speeds, and size to ensure you'll receive the right design every time. And you can't make a mistake. DTools only offers compatible options. If you're not sure which product to select, the product selector will help guide you to the right conveyor. Choose the features and benefits that are required for your application, including belt types, timing, speed, width, layout, weight loads, and environmental conditions. Every time you select an option, the list of conveyor possibilities narrows. Once you've identified the right conveyor system, you can add dimensions and complete the design. You can make modifications at any time with the Change Configuration feature, or create a completely new design. Once you've completed your conveyor system, DTools will generate and email a comprehensive list of components. You can request a quote and access a variety of drawing options, including complete 2D and 3D CAD assembly models, for instant validation of fit. Setting up your DTools account is simple, and designing a conveyor system has never been more simple and efficient. Visit DornerConveyors.com today to design your own conveyor. Dorner's DTools, providing peace of mind by simplifying conveyor design.